Konnichiwa minasan, Nihongo no gakusei desu. Today's lesson is about the past tense of desu. Before we study the past tense of desu, we review the present tense of desu. So as we have studied in lesson 1, the basic sentence pattern is x wa y desu. This could mean x wa y is mr because there is only one conjugation of des in the Japanese language. Example, Watashi wa gakusei desu. I am a student. Watashi wa gakusei desu. Senkou wa Nihongo desu. Senkou wa Nihongo desu. My major is the Japanese language. Watashi tachi wa Nihonjin desu. We are Japanese. Watashi tachi wa Nihonjin desu. We are Japanese. So, as you can see here again, des is the translation of is, am, are, or the present tense of be verb. Be verb. Alright, as you can see here, des is the present affirmative of the be verb. Present affirmative, that is am, I am, he, she, it is, they, we, you are. Okay? Now, in order to say not, am not, is not, are not, we say janai desu, janai desu. This means I am not, he, she, it is not, and they, we, you are not. Okay? We have discussed this also in the previous lesson. For example, Watashi wa gakusei janai desu. I am not a student. Watashi wa gakusei janai desu. Senkou wa Nihongo janai desu. My major is not Japanese language. Senkou wa Nihongo janai desu. Watashi tachi wa Nihonjin janai desu. We are not Japanese. Watashi tachi wa Nihonjin janai desu. Okay, janai desu, or the negative of be verb, negative present, has other variations. The first is ja arimasen. This is more conservative speech style, and it's spoken also, and it's more polite. Whenever you are not sure what to use the more polite form, ja arimasen. So if you want to speak with a stranger or with a superior, you can say ja arimasen. For example, Kare wa Yamada-san ja arimasen. He is not Mr. Yamada. But when you are writing, use dewa arimasen. This is appropriate for writing and it's much more formal. You do not use dewa arimasen in Facebook. So you use it in academic writings, for example. For example, Kare wa Yamada-san dewa arimasen. Okay? Here, in order to make the present tense of des, am, is, are, past tense, we just change des to deshita. It will become past tense, deshita. So, x wa y deshita. He was. I was. We were. Okay? Okay, example of the past affirmative of be verb. Watashi wa gakusei deshita. I was a student. Watashi wa gakusei deshita. I was a student. Senkou wa Nihongo deshita. Senkou wa Nihongo deshita. My major was Japanese language. Karera wa Nihonjin deshita. They were Japanese. Karera wa Nihonjin deshita. Okay? I hope it is easy to follow. Now, in order to create the past negative of the des verb, we look first the janai des form of am, is, are not. So in janai des, we just remove the I and then add katta, then des. So here, x, y, janakatta des. Janakatta des. Again, x, y, janakatta des. There is a pause between ka and ta. So, katta des. Janakatta des. It means was or were not. Was not, were not. It is the past negative of des. Okay, for example, watashi wa gakusei janakatta desu. I was not a student. Watashi wa gakusei janakatta desu. Okay, take note of the pause in katta. Janakatta desu. So, I was not a student. Next, senko wa nihongo janakatta desu. My major was not Japanese language. My major was not Japanese language. Senko wa nihongo janakatta desu. Okay, karera wa nihonjin janakatta desu. Karera wa nihonjin janakatta desu. They were not Japanese. Okay. In janakatta des, there are variations. That is, ja arimasen deshita. Just like in janai des, it has variations. Ja arimasen and dewa arimasen. Just in here, in janakatta des, we have ja arimasen deshita. It's also past negative, but ja arimasen deshita is used for conservative speech style. It's more polite, and of course, it's spoken. Ja arimasen deshita. It means was not, but it is used when you are talking to a stranger or a superior, and you want to use the polite form. Next, we have dewa arimasen deshita. Dewa arimasen deshita. Here, dewa arimasen deshita is used for formal writing. It is not used for a spoken language in Japanese. So, dewa arimasen deshita is for writing. Ja arimasen deshita is for spoken language. Okay, to review, the present tense are des, affirmative, is, are, des, that is present affirmative. Then present negative is not, are not, am not, that is janai des. Janai des, or its variation ja arimasen, dewa arimasen. Then the past tense affirmative deshita, was, were. Was, were. I was, we were, you were. Past, that is past affirmative deshita. Then past negative janakatta des, was not, were not. Janakatta des, and its variation ja arimasen deshita and dewa arimasen deshita. It is important to note that des, janai des, deshita, janakatta des are polite forms of be verb. There is another casual form, but it is for another time. It is safe to use this for beginners whenever talking to Japanese people. Okay, we're going to have an exercise wherein we're going to answer in the past form deshita and janakatta des the questions I'm going to give. For example, anata wa daigakusei deshita ka? Again, deshita is was or were, and then the particle ka means this is a question. So daigakuse is college student or university student. Anata wa daigakuse deshita ka? Were you a college student? Were you a college student? So you can say daigakuse deshita. I was a college student. Daigakuse deshita. Okay. First question. So you can pause the video if you need more time to answer. So first, anata wa orimpiku no senshu deshita ka? Anata wa orimpiku no senshu deshita ka? Were you a player in the Olympics? So you can say yes or no. Okay. Okay. The answers are iie, orimpiku no senshu janakatta desu. Iie, orimpiku no senshu janakatta desu. No, I was not a player in the Olympics. Or if you were a player in the Olympics, you say, Hai, orimpiku no senshu deshita. Hai, orimpiku no senshu deshita. I was a player in the Olympics. Another question. Game wa nanji deshita ka? Game wa nanji deshita ka? When was the game? So you will answer with a time. So what time was the game? Kino wa gogo 9時でした。昨日は午後9時でした。The game was 9 o'clock yesterday. 9 o'clock p.m. yesterday. The game was 9 o'clock p.m. yesterday. Okay? 昨日は午後9時でした。Okay, last question. 映画は土曜日でしたか? Was the movie on Saturday? 映画は土曜日でしたか? Was the movie on Saturday? So you can answer with it was not. 土曜日じゃなかったです。So it was not on Saturday. 土曜日じゃなかったです。It was not on Saturday. じゃなかったです was not. Okay? Okay, I hope you have learned something today. If you find my video useful and my channel useful, you can like my videos and subscribe to my channel for more. I will be posting more videos of the Japanese grammar in the near future. Mite kurete, arigato. Mata aimashou.